up, YouTube? It's your boy, Cool.
Jeez, that's so long.
Day, and it's your boy.
What's up? Cop my merch. DimitriStore.com.
And what you gotta say, Quentin?
I have a shocking. I'm gonna wreck them in this battle.
Today we're gonna be doing Simpson battle. We're gonna be doing a freaking Nerf battle. And Maddie, say what's up to the camera, Maddie. He got us some Kit Kats. Thank you, boo. And we're gonna be doing the Nerf war. I'm gonna be carrying the camera around the line. So yeah, let's get into the Nerf war. All right, we're back picking guns. We're picking each other's guns. That's a fact. So we have lever action, sniper,
Corday, you get
pistol, mini pistol, Uzi, atomic Uzi, zombie atomic Uzi, zombie exotic SEG Raider, pump shotgun, hunter rifle, which is damn, that's off limits, assault rifle.
I'm having this.
No, you cannot, Maddox. It's off limits.
Hey, look, another pump and another sniper over here.
A double barrel pump, and then the teams, Demetrius, me, versus Quinn, and Maddox. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be carrying the camera around a lot, and then we're going to switch transitions with the camera. So, all right, rock, paper, scissors, shoot for who goes first. All right, put the camera right here, guys.
all right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot who gets the camera
All right,
first.
whoever wins,
Me and Demetrius on team, so rock, paper, scissors,
whoever
shoot.
wins gets to choose the other player's loot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
All right,
We get camera first.
you get to choose our loot.
All right.
Minis.
We're gonna. He's over here popping minis, guys. My guy's over here popping minis.
Hey,
And we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go with the pumpy.
that
And
is a legendary pump.
This.
Nice.
Yeah, let's get it.
We're gonna go with the
Yes!
double barrel.
He got the
Can I
legendary.
pick now?
Yes, you may.
Wait, no.
Yeah, that gun's off
That
limits.
is a uncommon sniper.
Yeah, he can use it. All right, we're gonna take our high speeds, guys. Come on. Maddie, you stay with Quinn. No, Maddox. Stay with Quinn. Come on, Dimitri, we gotta go find our hiding spots. Come on.
Okay, we're in the final four.
Alright, guys. So we are at our bunker place. We built this on. You okay?
You hit me with that.
We built this on our own.
Yo, one thing before we go into the final four.
3,
2,
1.
final four.
Okay, guys. You can move around. Okay, guys. They're gonna try to find us, guys. So we need to keep hiding, guys. Shit.
What the heck is going on?
Shut up, Matt. Door. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. I think something got. After this round. Alright, guys. Alright. So we're here at the hiding place around the corner. Okay, guys. So, sitting location. Bam. I don't know what to put the camera at while I vlog. Guys, where should I put the camera at? Okay, guys. Loaded and ready to blast. Okay, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, we're on pause. Okay, guys. Okay. They're coming. Let's see. Grab them over here. camera. We're going this way.
That's 150. Nature's headshot.
Alright guys, we lost. So, we still get the camera, but let it go.
Team out.